Oh. Good catching, Gus.
You guys are the best frog
I know, they're frog
spotters
team
and
because,
catchers.
Yeah, Stella found that last one.
Guys, are we at the lake with Auntie Maria? Get it, Pi?
2.
Did you jump away?
I think 3.
3?
Yes, me too. Look, see, 1, 2, 3.
Good
I
eye.
see 3 right next to each other.
You're right,
Stella.
there are three right there.
Stella,
Oh,
did you hold a froggy? Yeah.
Mama, Daddy, you're so
I got one.
Got one, Pi?
Yep.
Let me see.
I see one right now.
Wow, you're good at spotting them, Carol.
Whoop, whoop. Jumped out. Whoop. Those are quick jumpers, huh?
There you go. Good eye. Good eye, Stella.
Stella, you found another one? Wow. Good job, Stella.